Gain is the most important part we come to because it's the first button on the knob on the console. And I have it set to about 2 o'clock, which would be about on this particular mixer about, excuse me, about probably plus 30, 35, somewhere along that range. 2 o'clock, what I like to say, or almost 2:30 on the board. We got the indicator light is lighting up, but don't go so much by that. Go by coming down all the way to the bottom and press PFL. PFL means pre-fader listen, and it's going to put it on the left side. And what it's doing is it's soloing. I don't know what rude means. If you know what rude means, let me know in the comments. But we're soloing the channel, this particular channel, pre-fader, before it reaches the fader, listen, and we're making sure that we have properly gain staged the microphone. So on an analog board, you want to be hitting right here around 0 or a little bit more. If I get a little louder, I may get into the yellow. So if I bring that gain up, I can go into the yellow, and it's okay to hit a few of those, but you do not want to go into the red because that is distortion and that you have overdriven the preamps. So you want to bring that down, and you want to bring it to a nice, and what I'm adjusting over here is my headphones so I don't blow my ears out. So back to reality. I've got a good healthy level going here to about 0. All right, so I have properly gain staged this particular microphone, and I've added or allowed what we call headroom. So if I get a little louder, that's okay because I've got some room to work with. So that's the preamp. I can take PFL off, and it will go back to what I'm sending to the left-right stereo mix.